come how WOSEN lighting factory processes this lighting product. Let's take a look. Firstly, we will thread the power cord through the lamp body and fix the power cord with screws. And then fix the power supply and wiring to the base plate of the lamp body with screws. Classify and connect wires using quick wire connectors. We place anti-collision strips around the power slot to make the rear bumper more sturdy and durable. Connect the body and rear cover plate. Next, attach and fix the lead heat dissipation aluminum substrate in the middle of the lamp body. Then thread the power cord through the lamp body. After fixing the wires with zip ties, we will cover the rear cover plate and secure it with screws. Weld the power cord and LED board and test if they can light up normally. Fix the transparent lampshade onto the LED board with screws. After fixing the anti-collision strip, we will install the lampshade and glass panel. Fix the glass panel with screws and pads. Then thread the wire through the bracket of the lamp body and secure it with screws. Clean and blow dry the lighting fixtures to keep the lamp body dry. Finally, use glue to stick the cylindrical horizontal bubble onto the back of the lamp body.